money with a moolah. Give me more for the worth. Blue honey, pop a smurf. 2-0 be the turf. Social media thug. Get thrown in the dirt. I'm the blame, I'm the blame. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. See a hater, chuck a deuce. Drop a finger for the truth.
Instagram's calling what?
Instagram called and said once you start making these bunnies, all the boys coming out.
That's what they said? Tell them they better strap up then.
I know I can't do that.
How you can do this?
My body ain't built for that.
Ooh.
Yeah, exactly.
Make sure the back don't hurt.
My neck and my back. Oh.
Man.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Come on, man. You skip leg day though. Like you on upper body. Hey, Joe.
Alright.
That's it. That's what
I got it up, y'all. I got it up. I'm gonna do one over here, one more back.
Hey, what's up with the California dudes? Why?
God dang. Yo,
those rights are definitely heavy though.
It is. Big ups to all the children that can do that.
No, facts, and we struggling out here.
Oh my God.
That's y'all California dudes. Y'all all be strong all up in head. Like, that's it. Just all upper body, man.
California, that's prison. Prison bill. That's prison bill.
I swear, everybody from California walk like this, bro. With their feet out.
West Side for life, all day, every day. You know?
Unfortunately, a lot of us been in prison.
Yeah, that's
Hey, get on the bike and stop playing.
I'm on.
I was on camera just let you know.
Oh, I was welling. I got caught welling on camera.
Yeah, I heard that. I could have sworn he said he was the bellman.
I'm not gonna get caught.
I know, I'm gonna do this second. You doing stuff.
Yo, what is he doing? He don't him down.
They know how to really stunt. They just thinking of anything.
Yo, he's not here. Hey, come on, Blake. You want to play wild?
You ready?
Yeah. What we doing?
We're going to do that. We're going to do the back.
Oh, back. Yeah, good. All right.
We're going to come back up and go down that way.
All right, good. couldn't have ran out of that. I was about to say.
Good
Yeah.
gas. All right, go ahead.
Put it back on?
Yeah. It's in gear. It's in gear. Anytime you check it and it moves, that means you're in gear.
Roll sound.
Rolling.
Sound production, take 2.
Hey, I'm on the ride to the bus depot just to get some footage real quick. You about to do that now? As always, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Until next time.